Go ahead.
So this picture is a picture of the USS Steinecker when we got towed into Harstad, Norway, after going aground or hitting an underwater mountain, and we were doing a night exercise in the fjords there. It was like 2 in the morning. I was in the rack, and actually, I think I was in the middle rack. But anyway, we went across this underwater mountain with the rear end of the ship kind of slid across it, and the ship actually physically bounced. Okay, because the screws that are on the ship are like 6 feet in diameter, and they got cut down to 3 feet, and they're very, very tough metal. So the ship is actually like almost like lurching in the water as it's going across. So everybody. First thing that happened is all the lights went out and the power got killed. And I fell out of my rack and a big guy falls on top of me. Meanwhile, the collision alarm is going off, right? Which means I'm 3 decks below the surface of the ship. So you're trying to grab your clothes without lights. You have emergency light. Trying to grab your clothes and everything and get out from your sleeping compartment up to where your battle station is, because whenever there's an issue, you head for your battle station. That's the thing that they do. My battle station was that gun director, right? Totally exposed up there. I got up there with a t-shirt, a pair of pants, and my shoes, no socks. That was it. All right, it's February. The weather outside wasn't like snowing or something, but it was really about 30 degrees. Okay, and there's no heat. Right, so I'm really cold. And we were about 20 minutes into it. One of the guys up front says, "We got a jacket up here. Would you like the jacket?" I said, "Yeah, I like the jacket. Give it to me." So we got the jacket. But anyway, after we went aground, then they took us to Harstad, and then they towed the and then we were in Harstad a month, and that's when the Norwegian Army, they had to do some stuff, keep the guys occupied because we couldn't do anything on the ship. So the Norwegian Army took us out, and we went cross-country skiing. First time I ever got on cross-country skis.
Wow.
Okay, it was really funny watching a lot of inner-city guys trying to cross-country ski. I mean, San Diego, you don't get much opportunity for cross-country skiing. So we spend more time falling down and getting back up. But anyway, after Harstad, then we got towed to Bergen, which is 700 miles south. So we are getting towed by an ocean-going tug for 700 miles. All right. Then we went into Bergen, which there was the Norwegian naval station is there. It's called Harkonsvern. Well, they pulled the ship in, and it was, you remember the Indiana Jones, the first movie? And the sub pulls into an area. The same place that's in Norway. That was in Norway. We were in there, and what happens is you pull the ship into a mountain, a curtain opens up, the mountain is hollowed out, and there's a dry dock inside the mountain. The dry dock is a place where you can empty all the water and support the ship and go all around it. When you can't, there's no water around the ship. So then they close the curtain and the ship disappears, basically. And the whole area in that whole Norwegian naval base was filled honeycombed with tunnels and stuff. So we spent 3 months in Bergen while they fixed the ship. And the best part of that was, going back and forth to Bergen and having fun and dancing and stuff like that. Okay.
Is that?